Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We out here at A.Q.Henry Kennel with my main man, Henry Rhino. I bred him to my female, Henry Lucy, and my main stud dog here at A.Q.Henry Kennel, old Henry Rhino. Old Henry Rhino. Nice and compact. Nice and compact. Rhino, you don't supposed to be on that. Get on the right thing. That's the wrong thing. Hey. You always be trying to break something loose. Like if he can break that part right there, on that little part right there, the whole thing eventually slide from out of the bow tie. My main man, that's my boy Rhino. Rhino, that's the wrong thing, boy. Yes, sir, I bred him to my girl, Henry Lucy. Henry Lucy meets Henry Rhino. American brown dogs. Henry Rhino, American brown dog. I bred him to another American brown dog. I bred two American brown dogs together. Henry Rhino and Henry Lucy. Crazy little fella. He'll sit there all day and do that right there. Back and forth, back and forth. So he tire himself out. Like I said though, I like his structure. He's very compact. I like his structure, his attitude. He's just a compact American dog. American brown dog. And he'll sit there and do that all day. All day. Wear himself out. Trying to bite it loose. Trying to break it. Trying to break it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We about to get ready to sign up out of here. About to get ready to sign up out of here. Old Henry Rhino. Old Henry Rhino should be about, I think he about 28 months, almost 32 months. Yeah, almost 3. Unless he turned 3 in June. Yeah. He turned 3 in June. Lucy turned 4 September. Yeah, in September she turned 4, and Henry Lucy turned 4 in September. He just turned 3 in June. The old Henry Rhino. Yes, sir. We signing out. A.Q.Henry signing out. Yes, sir.